News River at Smithfield. Until Friday evening. At 8:15 p.m. Thursday, the stage was 14.9 feet. Flood stage is 15.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this evening to a crest of 15.1 feet just after midnight tonight. It will then fall below flood stage tomorrow morning. Impact at 15.0 feet. Flooding begins along the News River Walk. Water nears the base of the holding tank at the water treatment plant. Flood history. No available flood history.